I loved Gucci when Alessandro Michele first took over, and I think it was creative and it was honestly beautiful, and it was bags we have never seen before, and it's gotten a little bit boring recently, hasn't it? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I had a little bit of a tough day. I mean, I just put my makeup on like I don't want to cry. My new little bunny, Puffle, passed away. I mean, if you haven't seen the vlog where I picked him up, go and check it out. He was such a cute bunny. He was probably one of the cutest bunnies I've ever seen. I think from the first night onwards that I had him, I knew that something was wrong with him. I thought like he might have a neurological issue or something like that. Like he was doing really weird movements with his head that I've never seen in bunnies before. And you guys know I have my two little Crimble and Crumble fluffs, you know, they are the cutest as well. And obviously when we got the new bunny we had them separate because, you know, bunnies need a long time to be bonded in the first place, and our original bunnies, they are a very bonded couple. They're brothers they've been together since they were born, and obviously it takes time for new bunny to get introduced to, you know, the other bunnies, but also you should keep them separate for a while in case, you know, one bunny has a disease or something like that. Went to the vet with him, they couldn't really figure anything out. I mean, the blood and urine works, I mean, it hasn't even come back yet, and so I just noticed he couldn't really walk. He was very wobbly when he was walking, and he did really weird movements with his head all the time, and he couldn't really jump. It's just, you bond so quickly, right, with an animal, and I already felt it. I just hope that Crimble and Crumble will be fine, that they didn't catch anything. Like I said, we kept them separate, but you never know, you know, if anything is airborne or I don't know. So it's been a bit tough today. Let's get into this. If you haven't seen my Bicester Village vlogs, go and check them out. I think it was fabulous. I could have bought way more, but obviously I shouldn't, you know. I shouldn't spend all my money in an outlet. I still have other bags on my wish list that I want to buy, and you know, September, at the end of September, my birthday is coming up, so you know, we're gonna have a birthday haul soon as well, and yeah, I should save up a little as well from time to time. So the Salvatore Ferragamo bag that I picked up, I cannot show you, unfortunately, because this is a present for somebody else. But maybe after the person received it I can tell you what I got. Okay, I would say let's do this. I bought a Gucci bag for myself, and guys, I don't know if you have seen my very old Bicester Village vlogs. I don't know, I think it was from like a year ago. If I still have the footage, I'm gonna, you know, show you. I really regretted that I didn't pick up this beautiful Barbie pink hard case Sylvie 1969. I really love this bag, and yeah, I didn't pick it up at that point, and I always regretted it. And I told myself, if I come across another amazing bag at an amazing price, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm not gonna have another Bicester Village Gucci bag regret. I loved Gucci when Alessandro Michele first took over, and I think it was creative and it was honestly beautiful, and it was bags we have never seen before, and it's gotten a little bit boring recently, hasn't it? Actually, once I've been to the outlet, I was like, oh my god, I should always go shopping in Gucci outlet, because they still have the old Alessandro Michele bags, and you know, what's currently in the boutiques for a while hasn't really like inspired me anymore. So I got a new Gucci bag, and I think it's a great addition in general to my collection, but also to my Gucci collection. Yeah, so it doesn't come with a box, it only comes with a dust bag. However, look at this, guys. This dust bag is so pretty. You know what you could do? You could just put a cushion in here and use this literally like as a cushion for home decoration. Like, I don't know, I really liked it. If you haven't seen the vlog yet, like I said, go check it out. This bag had 2 crystals missing, and I asked them if they could fix it, and I thought, you know, maybe they're gonna send it to Italy and it's gonna take 4 weeks. But they actually had a specialist in the Gucci outlet that was able to then and there that day fix the bag. They had the crystals ready, they were able to glue them back in, and you know, it took me I think 30 minutes. I was just waiting for them to come back to me, but they fixed it. They fixed it there and then, so that was quite amazing. Guys, autumn is my favorite time of the year, and I cannot wait to wear a coat again, you know, a long coat, and just once the leaves turn red and yellow, I don't know, it just gives me something. It's like a nostalgia, melancholy kind of feeling. I love autumn. I mean, I was born in autumn as well. Maybe that's, you know, playing into it. But autumn is my favorite time of the year. I think this is the perfect everyday tote for autumn. Are we ready? Hello! So, this is the Gucci Raja tote in brown suede, and it is such a beautiful color. I don't know if it actually looks a little bit lighter on screen. Maybe I should adjust the lights. It's a little bit darker, I think, than what you see there. So these bags came in so many different variations. I always wanted this one. So they had a really beautiful velvet brown version of it as well. At the time when it came out, I really wanted one of them, but I mean the price was like almost £2,000, I think. And I got it for like a third. No, I think it was 1/8, and I got it for a third of the price. So I always really liked this velvet version. However, velvet wears so quickly, guys, and I also didn't like the logos that much, because it's like big logos, it's like all over the bag, right? They had like beautiful other versions as well in like tweed, and they had beautiful versions. However, this one always caught my eye, and I swear to you, whenever I go to London and I walk around South Kensington, Sloane Street, I always see at least one woman wearing a Raja tote, and I'm like, this is kind of like a sign. I missed out on that one, and I couldn't believe it that they had these still available in the outlets. Here are the beautiful handles, and I show you in a second the inside as well, because it comes with a little addition I had no clue about. So beautiful bag. It has this wrinkled shiny leather on top. Reminds me of my Chanel CC tote. You've got the little Raja tiger head right there, and yeah, so I think I will spray this bag. I haven't found like the best spray for suede leather yet. If you have a recommendation, please let me know. I will definitely spray it, because I want to wear it in autumn, and it always rains here, right? So I should protect it. But I think this will wear a lot better than the brown velvet version. Yeah, so this is the tiger head. And there were two tiny little crystals missing, and like I said, they fixed it there and then in the outlet, which is, I mean, amazing service, right? Would we expect Chanel to fix our bag in a boutique there and then? So okay, let's look inside here. I had no clue, guys. So if you've seen the vlog, like, my bag beeped when I walked out, because it had a second tag inside this little pochette. And I needed to take it out, but I was like, what's happening? Why am I beeping? So it's stuck right now. Let's take this out. And it smells like such good leather. The entire inside of the bag is lined in leather as well, guys. I mean, you know, Chanel bags haven't been lined in leather. The classics, yes, or the seasonal ones in like forever. So fully leather lined bag. It's beautiful. It doesn't have any pockets on the inside, and I guess that's why it comes with this little pochette, and you can actually take it out, so that's amazing. It's beautiful gold hardware. I love gold hardware. I think it goes really well with this suede material. So can you see there, it is attached, so you can just do this, poke it through there, and you have a bag. Woo, and a separate little pochette. And actually what you could do, this is the front, here it says Gucci, this is the bag. As you can see, you can even make a little clutch out of this, which is quite cool. I like this versatility, and you have a little clutch. Very understated, you know, nobody knows it's a Gucci bag. I love being under the radar sometimes. So it feels like something is in here, probably the paperwork. So we got all our little Gucci care cards. I don't know if it comes with an authenticity card. Got like a little paper thing here as well. And on the day they had two. One was really beaten up. It got sold that day though as well. Even this one, see? It's totally leather lined. How amazing is that? So they had two. The other one, the suede, like was totally beaten up. Must have been like a display bag or anything like this. And when I saw that they still had this one, which in my opinion looks totally new. Such a big bag. You can fit a laptop in here. Okay, let me give you modeling shots and then I think that's it. And yeah, I mean, I'm apologizing for the outfit today, but you know, due to everything that happened, I just didn't feel much like dressing up. But I mean, that's just like a casual outfit, right? That you would wear in autumn anyway, so I think it's fine. Gives you still a good idea. So this bag sits really nicely on your body. It's very flat. It just feels good. And here the things are really wide. Can we see that? So, you know, it doesn't dig into your shoulder or anything. I think you can fill this bag up and it will still be very comfortable. So, hi. I love the old Gucci pieces, the Alessandro Michele pieces. What's in the boutiques right now? I haven't fallen in love with a new Gucci bag in forever. So here we have our little, you know, tiny catch. You can just wear it like this. Wear it like this. Crook off your arm. Hi. And yeah, I think even just like as an accessory. I don't know, I love this bag. You guys will see me wear this a lot in autumn. Like I said, imagine it with a coat, it's gonna be really nice. It's comfortable, you know, when I go film and vlogging for you. I think it's a good companion. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this. A little bit heartbroken what happened to our bunny. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for all your support. Please subscribe. And yeah, I love you. I see you again very, very soon. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And I see you again very, very soon. Bye.